getting to a place of dysfunction, I was deteriorating in my ability to thrive, which I find was one of the greatest gifts in the world to learn at 26 years of age. I find it one of the most valuable experiences because often in your 20s and 30s, you don't value your health and energy the way that you should, because you think, I'm vibrant and I'll feel this way forever. But the more that you can actually focus on your health, the more you increase your productivity, your creativity. Creativity is your unlimited capital. I'm going to say that again. Creativity is your unlimited capital. There is no limitation for someone who can create and innovate, especially at a rapid fire. The only thing that holds back that person is their belief in themselves to execute forward. That is it. I'm surrounded, luckily, by so many creative people who create at rapid fire pace. The difference between the ones that are making millions and the ones that are not